can you hear me? Can you hear me, Sean? I see that DONJA can hear me.
I think I'll give the floor to Mohammed Tueng. Sorry if that's not quite up now for me. But please, you have the floor. A few minutes to make your statement. Please unmute yourself. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, but it looks like I have a problem with camera. So, Kra Mohammed, you can start your intervention, please. Can you hear me?
Okay. Madam Moderator, thank you so much. My name is Mohammed Krong, and I am representing ATJÈH Sumatra National Liberation Front. I would like to make some remark under Section 3 concerning the situation in my homeland Aceh as minority. First of all, the terms of minority in Indonesia is quite ambiguous and not clearly defined in any legal conduct or regulation. Indonesia regards all ethnicity in the country as minorities. The ATJÈH, for example, are one of them, constitute only 1.7% of 270 million of Indonesia population. They have a distinct identity, a different background, etc. And we are treated differently by the central government. After the 30 years of armed conflict, there is indeed a peace deal between the Free Aceh movement and Indonesia. But due to the lack of government commitment, particularly with reference to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, the above-mentioned deals has met with failure. Although Indonesia has officially ratified the covenant on the 28th of October 2005, its implementation is advancing at a low pace. However, most of the Indonesian laws or regulations are originally from the era of Dutch colonial laws. Theoretically, the laws guarantee the freedom of assembly, freedom of expressions, freedom of associations, and other fundamental rights. But the problem is that all these guarantees are practically limited. As a new and multi-ethnic entity, Indonesia is obsessed with unifying the nation, and anything that is deemed to weaken the state is forbidden. Words such as referendum or plebiscite to determine the genuine aspiration of the ATJÈH are outlawed. Having said that, the participation of the ATJÈH to exercise their fundamental right is not possible. ASNF therefore called upon this August Forum to closely monitor the implementation of all the ratified covenants without any restriction, with particular emphasis on the right to self-determination of the people of Aceh without fear. Thank you so much.
Free Aceh! Free Aceh!
Thank you. Thank you very much for your intervention and your recommendation for monitoring of the implementation of human rights treaties that Indonesia is party to. The next intervention in my list is Mahmoud Musal, please. You have 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, please. Mahmoud Musal.
Yeah, thank you very much, gentlemen, who have given me a chance or opportunity to bring the case and real situation in Aceh. And what my brother said, and exploit resources in our country, in Aceh. Yeah. So the impunities of criminal committed against civilians or innocent people is very, until now, never been processed.
I'm sorry, we seem to lose you. We cannot hear you. Hello. Looks like we lost Mr. Musao. May I proceed to Wang Hua, please? You have 2 to 3 minutes for your intervention.